What?
You're prepared, I don't know what I asked.
Royce, you ready to be good at something else?
Dude, maybe.
Just seminar. There's not a day in the lake. You know what I mean? Nothing crazy.
Sun is great.
Are you proud of what you've done?
Yes.
You might have heard of the NBA Finals. You might have heard of Olympic handball. But we're in the finals of Jokers vs. Marbles. Can somebody explain the situation we're in right now?
It's crazy.
Row. What do we have going on right now?
Bad guys 1-1, good guys 1-1.
Bad
Bad
guys.
guys.
Good guys.
Bad girls.
Sorry. That was insensitive. It's 1-1. This one's important. The girls were over there talking for like 20 minutes, trying to figure out how to win.
That's dramatic.
Still talking about the rules.
Dramatic.
They're like, so what does a 9 do? I've legitimately never seen Oz this competitive in my life. For real.
People, can we get your that's cool. Can we get your thoughts right now? Like what's going through your head?
May the best woman win. That's all I have to say.
I'm locked in.
My team's ready. Hydrating. Girls rule, boys drool.
Also, it was my birthday about a week ago.
Happy birthday!
Jesus.
Did I get it? Thank you, Royce.
6, 7.
You can start playing.
It should be
So. Oh!
This is the joke, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Oh my gosh, that literally.
This is one of the greatest moves of all time.
So Hannah was worried because John was 10 pieces away.
I was
So I went ahead and
Rightly
counted.
so. Yeah.
Show us how you counted.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
It's cracking us up.
Roy started counting. I was like, Royce, don't draw attention. And I saw him go 5, 6, 7.
I really was like, Royce, this is the dumbest thing you could do. And then I was like, oh wait.
Oh!
Aha!
Turn. Like, you turned. On it.
Royce, count that up.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Pretty mad. Mostly at Roy's.
I'm gonna put this banana peel in Brad's bed tonight. I mean, not Brad.
Take it, what? Everybody's attacking.
Brad, just Brad.
I'm good, thank you.
Winners win, you know? That's what
Yeah,
they do.
Giannis.
Win. Let's go. How many chicken nuggets should we get from Chick-fil-A? Champion!
It's so bad.
No comment.
I'm happy, but I'm also glad not to be Royce.